Lovingly maintained 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage home in Botanica Lakes. Home offers formal dining room, wood cabinets, granite counters, tile flooring and carpet replaced less than a year ago with upgraded pet pad underneath. Kitchen has breakfast bar and great storage. Ceiling fans and lights throughout have been replaced. Freshly painted ceilings, trim, doors and interior walls. Water heater, Whirlpool XL washer and dryer, dishwasher, stove and microwave all replaced within the last 4 years. Drop-down ladder added to attic access. New garage door opener with keypad. Upstairs the bedrooms are spacious and bright. The large main suite offers walk-in closets and the bath area has dual sinks, separate soaking tub and step-in shower. The screened lanai provides peaceful views of the lake. Lot has room for pool. Mature landscaping front and rear of home. The community amenities include a clubhouse, 7-acre recreation area west/social hall, fitness center, children's activity center, aerobics studio, large resort-style pool, water play area, tennis and basketball. Botanica Lakes features